What's going on, guys? It's Billy from Team Scrubber. We're back with another video. Good dog driving video last weekend. Some good races. I think a couple jump deer. Some deer on camera. So that ought to be good for you guys. I'll try to zoom in and show you guys that. We'll be going hunting again next week. So another video will be coming out. So stay tuned for that one too. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It really means a lot. We just hit 2,000 subscribers a couple of days ago. So we're growing. So thank you guys for all the support. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.
We're just doing quick man drives today. The last one took about 10 minutes, didn't see nothing. We're on the second one. That's what it looks like. Should walk down in there probably, but I'll get it back on so when I hear them holler. Get about it. Guys, I'm hoping right. Hope the camera was on. I may have just got fast still shots. I don't know. But I came down, patterned this gun. It was on. Hopefully I got it on video.
What's going on, guys? Billy, Team Scrubber. We're back with another video today. First dog drive of the day. Out here, pretty good stand. Got the turn out in front of me. There's a big old cut down over there on the road. So this ought to be a pretty good hunt. So stay tuned, and we'll see how this goes.
Alright guys, Saturday, 24th I believe. We're hunting this area right here. Ain't been hunting in a while, so should be some shots hopefully. I hope I got the hand camera on yesterday. We did some man drives here yesterday and I killed a 3-point. See if Billy can fix that footage or not. But I'll get you back on as soon as the dogs are turned out. What? Come on, boys. See them jump that sky? What? Morning, boys. Oh, that's pretty. Happy dog. Come on. Come on, help. What? Woo! Come on, help. Come on, help. Woo! Come on, help. Woo! What? Woo! Come on, help. Come on, behind him, up! Woo! 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 They jumped in this there. Hey, there goes. Hey, haggle. Hey, give Jack, give Buck, give Jack. Give. Give Jack, get him, Jack. Give. Kid! Hi guys, starting the second drive. Killed two last hunt. Cow horn and doe, and I think they missed a nice buck, but we'll see what happens on this drive. Cut you on in a minute. All right. Come on here, come on here, come on here, come on here. Whoop, 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 whoop. 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 Come on, boy. Whoop. Whoop. Yeah. What? 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 Yep. Oh, yep. What? Oh, yep. Oh, yep.
Third hunt of the day. Second hunt. There was a little bit of action. Saw a doe beside me. Wasn't paying attention. Was trying to send you guys the notification that our video was out from last week. So I let it get by me. Saw it in the opening. But home with my dad this hunt. Over there, making sure the gun looks right, or the camera looks right. So we'll see what happens this hunt. Alright guys, we'll get back with you later.
There's a buck, damn it. See the horns?
I didn't see the horns. I didn't shoot.
Woo! Coming to you! There's a buck, damn it. See the horns?
I didn't see the horns. That's why I didn't shoot.
Woo! Coming to you. I seen the horns as they hit the. Another one cross?
I didn't see the horns. That's why I didn't shoot.
Oh, okay.
Look, got a toe up in there.